I welcome you all. I request all of you to please keep your mics on mute to ensure the smooth flow of this session. Apple Story Club is a reading club for children based in Trivandrum. To know more about our programs, please visit our website www.applestoryclub.in. You can find us on YouTube in the name of Apple Story Club. Our program today is timed for 40 minutes. This evening, we have two special guests, Suhan R. Krishnan and Marva Sajid. To officially welcome our guests and to lead the conversation, I would like to invite Ms. Haripriya Antony, mentor and program manager at Apple Story Club.
Can you see me?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Sorry. I tried to connect, but I could not. So thank you so much, Emma. It is so nice to see you all, dears. So yes, I can see Suhan here. Where is Marwa? Hi, Marwa.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello. Yes, that is Marwa and Suhan. Let's see you, dear.
Hi.
Hi. Yes. All right, and welcome all little children to Apple Talks. Okay, so Marwa and Suhan, our Apple Story Club is has a lot of members. Okay, and they're all little children, right from first standard, UKG, first standard, second graders, third graders. Okay, and that is the population of Apple Story Club. You can look around the participants, all little children, right? Okay. Yes, and for all little children, so today our guest, okay, is one big Cheta and Chichi, okay? We have Marwa Sajjad and Suhan. Okay, so they have done something great in their school days. They've won a lot of prizes in competitions. So let's talk to them, okay, and find out what it is, what they have done, okay? What all competitions they have appeared, what all they have won. All right. So first, let me call Marwa. Okay, Marwa Sajjad, the younger of the two. So Marwa is in 8th standard and Suhan is in the 9th standard. So I'll call the younger.
Ma'am, you're muted, ma'am.
Is it okay? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, I think maybe all my conversation was muted. Could you hear me before?
We heard
Yes,
to
I
the part
can
where
hear.
I was in 8th. Yeah.
All right. Okay. Sorry. So, Marwa, there is a lot of content. I even searched you on Google. Yes, and I found you. There was an article about you. It was so good to have you here and good to know you as well, dear. So you are the winner of an international spelling bee contest conducted by Mars International, right? So you were the the winner of that competition, in fact, in 2019. And you were the star performer, right? The star speller, in fact, throughout all sections of from 1 grade to 12th grade. Among all the participants, you were the star speller. So tell us, Marwa, what is this contest about? What have your preparations been? You can take us along through your journey, maybe, or you can initially tell us what this Mars Spelling Bee contest is.
Yeah, so thank you so much for inviting me, first of all. And from a really young age, I've got a lot of opportunities through Apple. And so, like Mars Spelling Bee, it's different from any other spelling bee you see around you. Like, if you see spelling bees like Scripps and all, it's mostly about spelling big words, like, big 40 letter words. But Mars is different. It's about seeing the words around you, understanding their roots, understanding the origins, using them in your vocabulary. And there are these small words which have really tricky spellings. So even adults will take a moment to think about them. But then
Yes.
when you're writing it, you think it's easy, but then when you only have 5 seconds to answer it, it's a completely different experience.
All right. Okay.
So in Mars, we had to do phonetics, jumbled words, crosswords, synonyms and antonyms, and we had to learn about words with their origins like German, Latin,
Okay.
etc. Yeah, so that was basically the idea of Mars International Spelling Bee.
All right. So at what age did you start? Is there any course that you have attended with Mars? Is that how you entered this contest?
I entered through school at the age of 6. I've
Okay.
been doing this for like 7 years till I finally won. So
Okay.
at the age of 6, I just got this as a random competition and I just joined out of joining for every other competition.
All right.
And there was the school level, and then the second level, the districts were in my second grade. So,
Mhm.
it was like the first time I'm going to this hall where a lot of children from the whole of Thiruvananthapuram and Kollam are there. And then it's the first time you get called upon a stage and you're like, okay, you're the district champion. So that was
Okay.
like my first experience. And then more than the love of English or the love of spellings, that was what made me into
Mhm.
this champion. So in my first grade, I was international seventh. Second
Okay.
time I was international fourth. Third time I was international third. And the
Mhm.
fourth time I went back to international 10th. So that was like, I just fell down.
Okay.
Uh, but then that was the best thing about like what happened to me, because when you do a bow and arrow, you always
Mhm.
have to pull the arrow a bit back before it can reach its target, right? So I had to be
Yes.
pulled back a bit, and then now this is me.
What age? Which class were you then?
When that was in fourth, and I was a very depressed little girl then.
Oh my God. Okay. And then when did you
And
appear
then
next?
then in fifth grade I did my next level, and then when it came to the nationals, when I was almost in sixth, again I didn't get anything, and then my parents were like, do you really want to do this? Like
Okay.
because by then I had a lot to study and I wasn't getting time for everything. I had a
Mhm.
really stressed schedule. My parents were like, do you really want to do this? But then I was
Mhm.
like, I have to win those
Okay.
big trophies, like, and that title. It's always been my dream.
Okay.
It's just me. So I had to do it, and then it was a big disappointment when Corona came. It was
Okay.
scheduled for the internationals were scheduled for April 2020, but then COVID
Mhm.
came, and then no notice from them for 1 year. So that one
Okay.
year, I was still into words. Like even when I'm listening to music, or even when I'm reading the newspaper, I was
Mhm.
always noticing these small words around me and practicing. And then
Mhm.
finally in 2021, it happened. And then again, I had a long wait for the results because it took them time
Okay.
to do it around the world online. But
Mhm.
then when it came, I was really happy.
So that happened in 2021.
Yeah, it happened in 2021 finally.
All right. Which month did this happen?
It was on February 28th.
All right, great. So is that the year? Is it 2021 that you won the title of the international champion?
Yeah, but then the competition started in 2018-19.
All right. Okay. So,
There was
but
a
the
1 year delay.
results came out. Okay. The results
Yeah.
came out in 2021. So there was nothing happening in that time. And it was a total, no connection with them, nothing. And did you
Yeah.
lose hope, or did you have expectations? How were they, what were they doing during this time? Were they conducting any
Um,
more competitions or finding out, or was all the process done by that time?
so after my nationals, like we had started preparing for the internationals. We had the tickets booked. We were all
Okay.
set for the internationals, and then COVID came in, and so
Uh-huh.
they told us they'd let us know about how they're going to do it online, or if at that time we thought COVID might go after some time, right? So,
Yes.
but then when the lockdown continued and we realized we had to do it online, the conductors they wanted to make it like the real experience. So
Okay.
they had to figure out a way for that, and it took them some time. We kept mailing them regularly when we had no contact, and I still had hope. I was like,
Okay.
if they're not going to do this, I'm going to join next year. I'm going to do it again.
Okay. All right. So as the years go on, like when you were in first and then you moved to the next, the toughness of the
Yeah.
words and everything goes up. So how were your preparation during this period? So every year,
So-
what were your preparations?
Yeah, in first grade and all, it was kind of fun. It's not just about by-hearting words, right?
Yes.
We never by-hearted them. Me, my dad, and my mom, it was a learning process together. So
Okay.
we learned it in a fun way. Like some
Mm-hmm.
words, there aren't any techniques, but then there are some specialties. Like there's only one word in the whole English language which ends in SEDE, and that is supersede.
SEDE.
Yeah.
Supersede? Not
Yes, that's
concede?
the only.
No?
No,
Con-
that's CEDE. That's
no.
CEDE. Yeah.
Okay. So you are a dictionary. Yes, I can. All right. I trust you. Supersede, huh?
Yeah, that's the only word in English which ends in SEDE. And
And what does
then,
it mean?
it means like, supersede means something can supersede something as in replace.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, and then we learned it in a fun way, like connecting it with people, making
Okay.
storylines for word
Mm-hmm.
origin and all. I had a friend who was born in Germany.
Uh-huh.
So some German origin words, I try to link them with her.
Okay.
And then as the years progressed, it was in categories. So sometimes it will be third and fourth, and then fourth and fifth. So when you're in the younger age group of your category, it gets a bit tough. But then the
Okay.
next year, it becomes easier because you're still in the
Easy.
same category and you're the older one.
Okay. So it happens in 1 year, or is it 2 years?
2 years. It's a 2-year process.
2 year process. Okay. That's nice. Okay. So you've been 2016. You have been the 7th place, right? Then
Yeah.
2009, 2016. Then 2018. You have got
Been
a
in the
prize
fourth.
there. 4th. All
Yeah.
right. And then it was the championship on in 2019.
No. Wait. 2016, 7th. 2017, 4th. 2018, it was 3rd. And then 2019, I got 10th. 2020,
Okay.
it was supposed to happen in 2020, but then it happened this year.
All right. Okay. Yes. We get the dates wrong when we check in the internet, So it is good to
Yeah,
hear from you to get the correct dates. So that's nice. So how does it happen when it is face to face? Does everybody sit in a place and then you are asked to come onto the stage and asked a spelling? How does it happen?
Yeah, so this happens in a kind of personal way. Like, first we have written round. Yeah, this is completely different. We have a written round. Like, all the
Mhm.
students are taken to this classroom. It'll always be somewhere, like, the internationals will always be out of Kerala mostly. So
Okay.
we go to this big school, and then everyone's in a classroom. We do the written round, and
Mhm.
then we wait for some time, and we are called individually to do
Okay.
the other rounds. So synonym,
Okay.
antonym, and all, they'll show us a presentation, and then we have a tutor with us. We have to tell them the answer.
Okay.
And spellings, the dictation kind of part, that was in a completely different way, because they make us listen to the actual Cambridge pronunciation. It wasn't the
Okay.
Indian pronunciation.
Mhm.
So that was actually this huge thing when I was in first. I
Okay.
had to get used to that pronunciation.
Okay.
So they
Good.
make us listen to it 2 times. They give us the definition, and then
Mhm.
we have only a bit of a time. So we spell
Okay.
it.
Okay.
We have like 2 rounds for that. So the
Mhm.
first 5 words, you have to get 4 correct to move on to the next part. And then the next 5 words, you have to get 4 correct. And after that, wherever you go wrong, it stops there.
All right. Okay. So that's how it goes. So,
Yeah.
and how does it during the lockdown? It might be on through the computer.
Yeah.
So, is there any chance of cheating or anybody helping you?
No, I don't think so, because it was actually like we come on Zoom, and then again they show us a presentation. We have to keep our video on. We have to be on mute the whole time. So I don't think you could be helped much.
Yes.
Like,
Okay.
the tutor always had their attention on you, and there's this time limit, like 5 seconds. They made
Mhm.
it really short during the online thing, so that you can't get help.
Yes. And what do you think? How should little children start preparing themselves for such a huge contest? What do you suggest?
The basic thing is read like
Read.
read the newspapers, listen to international news like BBC, read books. There are a lot of good English books out there, right?
Mhm.
So
Yes.
they're interesting, and then it's not just about reading them. Sometimes when we say big words, we just skip them. We understand them
Yes.
through the concept. but then
Mhm.
you have to note it down and check its meaning, and try to use these words in your vocabulary. That's another
Okay.
big thing.
All right. So reading first and then writing it down. So it comes like that,
Yeah.
right? So that is
Yeah.
when things register more. There is no
Yep.
skipping and escaping from words, and then understanding the thing in a wholeness is not what is needed for a competition like this. You need to be more specific to it, right?
Yeah.
Yes, all right. So that's a lot of information that you've given. It's so nice to hear from you. So I'll come back to you after we
Thank you.
move to Suhan. So thank you so much, Marwa. So yes, so Suhan, hello Suhan.
Hello, how are you all?
I am good and thank you. And how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine.
Oh, yes. So let me introduce you to our little children here. So Suhan is 13 years now. He just turned
No,
13.
I'm 14.
You're 14 years now?
Yes, I'm
All
14
right.
now.
Okay, so you're 14 and you started writing at the age of 12. Is that right?
Actually, behind my book, it is written 12, but actually it's 11.
Okay, so all this thinking process started at 11, or did you start writing at the age of 11?
I started writing at 11, and I published my first book when I was 13. No, 14, sorry.
14. So, Suhan, let me show your book. Okay, the first published book of Suhan is this one. Okay, this is 104-page book. Okay, he has written so much in this. So, Suhan, the book's name is The Lost World of Heavens. So, Suhan, can you tell us something about this book that you've written? This is your first book. Is it very close to your heart?
Yes, it's very close. Actually, I came up with this story thinking of my grandfather because he has passed away. That's
Mhm.
why.
So, you were
That's
connecting with him. Is
yes,
that
yes.
how you got the word heavens?
Yes, absolutely.
Oh, all right. You were close with your grandfather.
Yes.
All right. So now, tell us something about this book. Is this a fantasy kind of a book? Is it a thriller kind of a book, or a mystery, or an entertainer? What would you categorize your book as?
It's an adventure story and fantasy also.
Oh,
And
great, great.
it involves the love of parents.
Mm-hmm.
That's love of passed away parents. That's how I included my grandfather and all.
Okay,
Found the story thinking about my grandfather.
great, great.
That's and I have put the
So,
same concept in the story.
great. So, is this boy in this book, Gerald Renelin, is that little Suhan?
Yes, kind of.
All right. So tell us something. What happens in this book, Suhan? I'm almost in the middle of this book. It's quite nice, huh? It's a very good book. Yes, tell us something. What about this book?
Actually, just like I told, the boy Gerald Rainland has a father who has passed away when he was 7 years old, and he
Mm-hmm.
was also very sad, like I was when I was 7 year old, and
Mm-hmm.
he was still missing his father when he was even when he was at the age 20. I think I don't remember. I think
Okay.
it's 20. Then he still loved his father. His father gave him a locket which he kept with
Mhm.
him for so long. He never removed it from his neck. And he thinks that Gerald Reynolds thinks that, and then his father is protecting him from by using the power of the locket, and it's true. It's true also.
Okay.
And he finds out that his father has a last wish for him. Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
This story tells us the love of a father or even mother by using some magical like adventure story fantasy and all.
All right. Okay. So that is. So how did you manage writing this in between your studies? Did you tell anybody that you were in the process of writing?
Yes, actually, I told some of my friends, not all my friends, some 1, 2 friends. Yeah,
Mhm.
when I was 11 years old, they started writing comics first. Yeah, but
Okay.
it was not a good one. So I tried again. My second try was writing a short story,
Okay.
but that also failed. Then third time, I started thinking about my favorite author. Yeah,
Okay.
that guy had written a novel, not a short story, a novel. No, no,
Who is
so
it?
many
Who is
no.
your favorite? Who is your favorite
R.L.
author?
Stein. R.L.
All right.
Stein. He has written 200 novels. I was jealous of him actually. I also
Oh,
wanted
is
to be
it?
like him.
Goosebumps?
Y-
Goosebumps?
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Okay. And have you read all these novels?
Yeah, and wait, I think I have read 6 or 7 books of his. I loved his
All right.
books.
So is it goosebumps like you get scared?
Yes, yes,
Is
like
there a scary element? All right. So in this book, can we expect some scary element in this?
actually no, it's about adventure and fantasy.
All
My
right.
next book is detective. I will add some scary and thrilling things like that.
Elements into it. All
Yes,
right.
yes.
That's good. Okay. So Suhan, were you writing your story down or were you typing it down? How were you doing it?
Actually, first I was writing with pencil. Then
Mm-hmm.
I forgot that I had a laptop. So I turned on my laptop and started looking for Microsoft Word. And then I opened it and started writing all my stories. This published book was my fourth try.
A fourth trial of this same story,
Yes, yes,
same
yes.
story.
Yes, actually, it's very difficult to publish a book because the reviewing people are there. Those people are very strict, actually. They should love the story. Then only they will allow the publisher to publish the book. So,
So why do you
actually,
call it a failed attempt? Who tagged it like that?
no, I mean, my first, second, and third try was a fail. I told the reviewing people, this
Mhm.
is this story nice. So
Okay.
actually, they didn't like it. So I tried again and didn't stop. I wanted to be a novelist like R.L. Stein and meet him one day. So
My God,
so
very
I
good.
tried it again. Then, but
Okay.
before showing to the review, I was afraid that they will deny it again. I'm talking about my published book before publishing. I was
Okay.
afraid that they will deny this again. So first I showed it to my mother. My mother then
Okay.
read it. She said, yeah, it's a good story, but there are some grammatical mistakes and also I
Mhm.
corrected it
Okay.
again. I think I corrected it two times. Two times,
Okay.
yeah.
How
Then
many times have you read this book?
actually maybe 6 or 7 times because I keep reading. I wanted to make my story better and
Okay,
better
great.
like that.
All
Then
right.
before sending it this book to the I mean this story to the reviewer, I
Mm-hmm.
made some changes to make my story more and more nice. So I
Okay,
kept
good.
trying, and you won't believe actually the half of the story I saw in my dreams. Then the rest half I created by myself.
Wow. Is it dreams while you're really fast asleep or you're lying back and purposely thinking about the book?
Actually sleep while I was sleeping, but before I saw that dream, I was like, oh my god, what will I write on my story? I have to think like that. Then I
All
saw
right.
that dream half. then
Okay.
then I created the rest half by myself.
Okay, so morning, you were a restless sleeper. You have this thing in mind that you're not getting a connection to the story. You sleep and then you see it literally in your dream. Then you
Yes,
wake up. Do you jot it down immediately? Do you because
yes,
before it fades off from your memory?
yes. I think some of the things I have forgotten, but no, I tried to recall it
Mhm.
and then I wrote it in the Microsoft Word.
Okay, so who was your supporter?
Actually, there was no support. I was in because of this lockdown. I was inside my room, locked the door, and trying to, think of a story and write
Think
it.
yes.
I locked the
That's
door because I didn't want any disturbance.
all right. Okay. So how many years did it take for you to complete this story?
1, 2, 3. I think three years.
3 years. And during this time, not even once did you want to stop it, but you just wanted to complete it, right?
Yes.
That is determination, Suhan. Very good. So, at the age of 11, you started, and by 13, you got it published. So, what is
Yes.
published means, children? I'll just tell you that is when Suhan's book is now available in the stores. You can go and purchase it, or you can buy it through Amazon or Flipkart. That is when you should, that it is published. Okay. So that is when you know the book is published. So, Suhan, what did you do about the publishing part?
Actually, I don't know how to
How did you do
answer.
that? Yeah.
First, I had the WhatsApp number of the publisher. So I
Okay.
sent the PDF of it, and they said they will send it to the reviewer, and according to the reviewer only they will publish, because
Oh.
reviewers are like a king, and the publishers are like a soldier only. Yeah.
Oh my God.
So yeah, it's actually like that.
They
It's
take
actually
orders from the
difficult.
king. They
Yes,
they
yes.
take orders. Okay.
Yes, yes. So the reviewing people, called. No, 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 no. I'm sorry. They said they like it. They liked it. Good story. I don't know how they like. They just said very good, nice story. I didn't see their face expressions about my book. They just
Okay.
chatted on the WhatsApp that they liked it. Good story, and they
Okay.
said uh, they will publish it soon. I was like, oh my God, I'm so happy. I published my first book, like that.
That's great. And who designed this? Who helped you with the design of this page, the front page of the book?
I will tell the publisher, the soldier, how should the front page look? Yeah.
Yes, that's very
I
important,
act,
right?
yes, I told them how the front page should look, because the front page should look according to the story, right?
Yes.
So I told them what should they do. Actually, they sent many pictures of the front page. Some of them were not good, so I choose this one, this front page. I like that. That front page photo was actually very connected to the story. So I said, okay, this is nice, so go, you can agree this one. So that
Especially
they
the
also.
locket, right? The
Yes,
locket
yes,
that this person is wearing is that
yes,
special locket which the
yes,
father gives to the boy when he was
yes,
in the final dying stage, right?
yes,
All
yes,
right.
yes,
So that is the connection with this picture, which is very good.
yes.
Yes.
I told them specially that locket should be very like they should the locket should appear very clearly. Like that, I
That's
told them
good.
specially.
Very
And
nice. Very nice.
first it was not glowing. Then I told them, wait, in the story it should glow, right? So make it glow.
Yeah.
I told them like that. So I told them to
So you are the king's king. You are the real king. You can command, right?
yeah,
And get
kind.
things done. And do you have to
Yes.
pay a lot of money to these people to get this book published like this?
Yes, it's actually very expensive. It was, they said for publishing a book, you should pay 12,500 or something.
Okay.
Yeah. So my mother was like, oh my God, first you should write a good story, then only we can publish it. So I didn't deny it. I just tried my best to create
Very
a
good.
book.
Very good.
And like I failed many times. Then finally a story came which my mother liked, and then I published it finally.
Great
I
job.
she
Great job.
My
And how
mother
did you
didn't care.
manage your? Yeah.
She didn't care about the rate.
Great. Very good. Very good. So that is the liking that she had for the book. Yes, your
Yes,
story really inspired and
yes,
very nice. And how did your studying, how did you manage your studying during this time when you're always pestered with the thought of something, you need to put it out into words. So did that trouble you with your studies? Were you going behind
yes,
in your studies or?
yes. Actually, it troubled me a lot. That was like an enemy. Yeah,
Oh my God,
because
studies as an enemy. All right.
and now I'm in ninth, so I cannot proceed further my story. When I was in eighth, I was able to write a little bit. That
Okay.
time was enough for me. So I completed my story when in 8th, but now I'm in 9th, so I cannot write many always. I can all day I cannot write, only sometime.
Okay, whenever you have free time and when you're free from your studies, not free from your studies, yeah, after your studying time is when you have to literally think about the, that
Yes,
inspiration is kind of forced, right?
yes,
And it is like, yeah, okay. So that's nice, huh? And you have also mentioned the last about the author of this book. There is a lot of
yes.
things that you've mentioned, that you want to help a lot of people with the money that you get from your books and all that. So is that a dream that you have?
Yes, it's also my dream.
Yes. So it will turn into reality soon, with more books getting published. And when we have such a big audience, everybody should, try searching for this book. We'll send you the link of this book through the WhatsApp chat, and you can search it up in Amazon and Flipkart. You can definitely help our little upcoming author, because he is, this book is really good. The mapper drop, I really liked that concept of putting a mapper drop and then it takes you. Wow, where did you get all these thoughts, young man?
The mapper drop itself came in my dream.
Oh, great, great. It was really good. Huh? That's a real good one. And there is a good flow to the story. And Suhan and Marwa, there are people, there are children in our group who are, who are so ambitious. They want to, and, they think of very different kind of careers. Some even want to be part-time witches and sorcerers. There are children who are dreaming of such occupations. So, such books will definitely ignite some fire into them. They can also think and dream and then write down their thoughts. No, not many children have the patience as little Suhan to sit down and write and write and write. But everybody should try that, right? Okay, nice speaking to you, Suhan. So thank you. And then,
Thanks.
yeah, Marwa, there was one more mention about you, that you were the best delegate twice in the at the Model United Nations conference conducted by the India's international movement to unite nations. Oh my
Yeah.
God, what were you doing?
So it's like a model United Nations. The proceedings, like everyone here knows about the United Nations. Like, so it's this big organization which it kind of helps the world and a lot of countries out in different situations, right? So their delegates from different countries meet together during a crisis to find up a solution. So
Correct.
Model United Nations gives us children and students a demo of that. And IIMUN is a youth organization. It's for the youth,
Mhm.
by the youth. And
Okay,
I was able to be best delegate twice, and I work for IIMUN.
great.
So actually, this like my ability to communicate with good words and the way I present whatever facts I'd learned, everything also helped me out with IIMUN actually.
Great, great, great. So, are there international students also in that platform?
Yeah. IIMUN is mostly for Indians, but then people from around the world also join. I've
Okay.
also done an international MUN where you have people from America and South of Africa, and I
Okay.
had an honorable mention there.
Great, very good. So all this reading, and then practicing the spellings, the way you conduct yourself, the speaking, the vocabulary, and all that, attending such big competitions has given you a lot of courage to face a
Yeah.
big crowd. Also, you have collected a lot of information about many things that is happening around the world. So you're all the time feeded with information, so
Yeah.
you're able to present yourself and represent as well yourself and maybe your school, or even the Kerala or India, in such big platforms. That's really good to know, Marwa. So what is your plan for the coming next 3 months or 6 months? Is there any target ahead of you?
Actually, I do a lot of stuff. So,
Okay.
like, my exams are coming up in school, and like we have the cultural fest and everything. But then, I'm also doing this spelling bee conducted by Alan Career Institute, and the
Okay.
finals are on 18th. There were
Mhm.
like 4 rounds, so I qualified to the finals. Which there are only going to be 10 people, so that's on 18th, and I'm preparing for that.
Okay.
And like I dream big, so my plan is like for the complete future. I just want to make a change.
Great. Okay, so in maybe 6 months, we will have you back into Apple Talks, and there you will have something more for us, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we will have another endless list of achievements from Marwa to talk about to our little children here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now tell us the one tough word and the tough spelling that you've come across.
um okay, let's think. So I'm not gonna go for big words because
Okay.
okay, let me ask you, how many of you can spell the word um accommodate? Everyone's confused with the C's and the M's.
Yes.
Accommodate.
Try. Somebody, can you unmute your mic and try? Accommodate. Accommodate.
Can I?
No? Malavika said no. Yes. Alice, come on. Yes. A.
B.
Start.
C.
Yeah.
Can you say the word once again?
Accommodate. You know what it means?
ACOMDATE.
Yeah.
ACMRDATE.
Yes, she's got the main
Yeah.
sounds correct. Only the little additions is needed. Way to go, Alice.
Yeah.
Good job. Huh? Good job. That was a good trial. Huh? Thank you, Marwa, for that. And let me just pass on the stage to Emma. So it was very nice having you, Marwa and Suhan, for our session. It was a short, packed session actually, so we had to really rush through it. So thank you so much for coming in. I'll pass on the stage to Emma. Emma, are you there?
Yes.
Yes, Emma.
Yes. Suhan and Marwa, thank you very much for joining us this evening and sharing your stories as author and international spelling bee champion. Thank you for telling us how to make our dreams of becoming an author and a champion come true. We wish you greater success. On behalf of Apple Story Club, I extend my thanks to all those friends who have joined this meeting virtually. Best wishes to you. If you would like to become a member of the club, please contact us at 854-732-5505. Thank you once again. Stay safe.
So thank you all. We can wrap up the session today. And we'll come back again with Marwa and Suhan very shortly, right, Emma? Maybe in 3 to 6
Yes.
months' time, we will definitely come back with these two champions on our stage. So thank you all for attending the program.
Oh,
So good evening to all. Bye-bye.
Bye.
bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Bye, Mitra.
Bye.